Hey guys, welcome back. It's definitely a week later after me reorganizing and redoing my beauty desk setup, but I forgot to film an intro for part 2. I didn't think I had to split that video into 2 parts, but I did. So part 1 is up on my channel of me decluttering all my makeup, getting rid of old makeup, just sorting through everything. And then this is gonna be part 2 of me reorganizing everything and showing you my new desk and my new setup of like where I sit and film and like where I do my makeup and hair on a daily basis. If you haven't already checked out part 1, I will link it up here for you guys. Check that out if you like declutter videos. But if you want to see me reorganize everything and put it all in this beautiful, wonderful desk, I'm so happy with my new setup and it was pretty affordable. It makes me feel so excited and refreshed for the new year and sitting down and like doing makeup and stuff. But if you want to see me reorganize and everything, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is the desk that I bought from Ikea. It was actually very affordable. It's one of the Micke's, if I'm saying that right. This is the one with the cabinet. So I just built this morning. So the shelves are movable, so I can definitely take a shelf out if I want. I can move the heights, adjust the heights. Really can put a lot of bins in there. Has a nice top drawer. Again, this is a little deeper than the one that I had in my previous desk. And then a nice big front drawer that pulls out really, really far. I've built a lot of furniture in the past, so it was pretty easy for me to put together. If I didn't say, this one was $89, which I thought was pretty affordable. I mean, you do have to build it yourself, which took me like almost 2 hours just because I'm doing it all on my own and I didn't have like I did everything by hand, not with like an electric screwdriver. I still had to put together the little cabinet, but I figured I'd show you guys this. So I'm excited for my chair to fit under it better. And I definitely have more space in that cabinet when I put my bins in, and I can fit all those little acrylic holders in the top 2 drawers as well. So pretty much the same size and width and length. It is just a little taller. So we'll see how it goes in the space upstairs. All right guys, so I moved my new desk in, got this clear protector from Amazon. Pretty much almost fits. The dimensions are a little off, but it was hard to find one specifically for this desk. Put the desk here, put my acrylic things up here. I'm gonna reorganize them, but I definitely want to keep my brush holders and these nice acrylic holders up on the desk. Got my mirror down here, which you probably can't see. This was that. I'll show you guys once I'm finally done the full rundown of all the organization, but I moved all my hair stuff, curling irons, my Shark Flex style, all that into this little 3-tiered bin from Home Goods. And then I put, other piece I didn't show you was just the Micke drawer cabinet that goes along with this desk. It's like matching. I built that and I put this over here, which has 3 small drawers and 1 big drawer. So definitely gonna have a lot more space. Right now I'm just using these acrylic bins that I got from Amazon. Already started, but I just kind of did this to get stuff out of those drawers. But I think in this big drawer, I'm gonna put my most used like makeup products or my current go-tos in here using these organizers. These are really nice. They came in all different shapes and sizes. They fit in here, and they also have little feet pads that I can put on so they won't slide around. Just think it would keep everything cleaner, more organized. In my old desk, I had drawer liners that I kind of like stick down to that, but I don't know if I need to do that this time just because I do have containers that will hold my makeup and they're easily able to take out of the drawer and clean and then wipe that down. So I don't think I need to use the drawer protectors. But if you don't have a lot of makeup and you find you don't need like acrylic organizers, just get like cheapy drawer protectors. There's peel and stick ones. There's ones you could just cut and lay down. You can find them for like kitchen cabinets and all that. So all different things out there, and they're really affordable, especially the ones that you just measure and cut yourself. It comes in like a giant roll. I have the organizers because I have a lot of crap. So I'm just gonna kind of speed through me doing some organization, and then again, I will come back and show you like a full rundown of everything organized.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibition, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city. should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more.
Alright, so I pretty much have my makeup done. I ran out of organizer, so I'm definitely gonna have to buy more. So everything's not gonna be in its like permanent home, but most of the stuff's is organized. Like I got a lot of stuff in this drawer, which I'm really excited about, but as time goes on, I can always move it around and rearrange it. Now the last part, I'm gonna go through my eyeshadow palettes with you guys. I don't have a lot more space, so I'm really gonna have to get rid of a lot with all these.
Visions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home. Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know.
I was gonna use this little guy for like my eyeshadow palettes, but obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 slots. Definitely not enough. So I'm just gonna have to buy a few more storage things from Amazon, but I'm gonna pretty much finalize everything and then I'll show you guys a rundown. Alright guys, I'm losing some light, so I kind of want to show you what I got going on here for getting almost everything done in here again. Hair stuff, curling irons, Shark Flex style, and the curling wand I use the most. Nice and organized all in one place. And then my desk. Now my chair fits nicely underneath there and I can swivel and I will not hit my knees. I still have to go through and reorganize my brushes and stuff, but eyeshadow brushes, this is like my quick grab stuff. All those brushes I need cleaned. I still have a lot of extra space stuff I can do over here. Main drawer, I was able to fit a lot. Mascaras, primers, highlighters, color correctors, concealers, powders. So everything pretty much fit in there. Again, I can rearrange it as I need and it all fits under there. In my first little drawer, this is like my junk drawer, I have my powder puff sponges. I mean, these are like my little hair clips to keep my hair on my face when I'm doing makeup. Tweezers, and then I have brow products and then some random things back there. Again, junk drawer. And then I picked the Micke with the cabinet. There's a Micke that has 2 big drawers if you rather have that, but I like the cabinet for the extra space. So my top part, these are glowy face products, and then my most used foundations. And then this has all my foundations. They're all standing up. Still can organize that. We can move things around. And then those are just like my skin tints and powder foundation. This is where it gets tricky because I don't really want the lip products on here. I need to buy more acrylic storage, so I just use this. This has my lip liners, and then this is my eyeliners. And then down here, I kind of organized all my lip products in these 2 little metal organizers. I'm pretty sure I got from Home Goods, and don't love that for my lip products. I just need to do some research and find some lip organization containers because I don't really want to keep them down there because that's kind of annoying to reach for. So this is the cabinet I was saying. It's the Micke cabinet. It's on wheels, 3 drawers, and then a big drawer at the bottom. I'm going to show you what's in this. And again, I can kind of rearrange things as I go. My top drawer, I was able to fit all my blushes. So I have my cream blushes, powder blushes, a few blush palettes. Everything fit in there very nicely. Next drawer, bronzers, same situation, cream bronzers, powder bronzers. There's still room in the back if I need it, but I like that I can actually reach back there. It's pretty easy still to reach, even though it doesn't come all the way out, but for the most part, I can pretty much reach everything, which is nice. Third drawer, the last 2 drawers are up in the air. This was the other bin I got from Ikea that I can put like more, I don't know, foundations or whatever in it. Right now I just put those single pot eyeshadows. I need a better organization for that. So, and some liquid glitter eyeshadows. And then this just has lashes, which I don't really wear anymore. And then some random face masks and some random products. Still, I need to find something for that. And then down here is where I was able to fit all my eyeshadows. This is just some makeup brush cleaner. But yeah, I mean, the eyeshadows fit down there nicely just because they are the tallest item of makeup I have. In theory, maybe I should have got like a taller cabinet to go here instead of this shorter one, but I can always just buy another cabinet and put it over here in this space. So this is kind of like my background, what you guys see. It's just this really old Target bin holder. Kind of move stuff around. In here is where I keep, these are like the cloths I take from work. But this is just like all my electronic bin. It has my camera batteries, and I'll keep my charger in there. It has my other lens in there. And then my other one, these are my makeup travel bag. This is what I use to travel. I put all my makeup in here. That's another one. But in here I just have more random electronic stuff. I have my old GSX camera in there also. So yeah, I still have to set up like my filming, my light, and my tripod behind there, my monitor, but this is pretty good, I think. I just need to shuffle it back, I think, a little bit. But I'm pretty happy with the setup. I just think it looks a lot more cleaner, organized, and I think I have a lot more room on the top of the desk to kind of lay out my makeup before I film. And don't feel like everything's kind of a mess. I can have my phone there. I can have like a drink up here with me and not feel like I'm gonna knock it over in the chaos. I need to find something for like new makeup products to get a bin for. And also I could probably put like a bin or 2. I mean, I could have put my lip products up here on display, but I don't know if I really want that. I kind of like it all enclosed just because it's a little more organized, but yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, that was just my little reorganization and declutter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was kind of like shaky and kind of a hodgepodge of a mess, but I just figured it'd be fun to show you guys like kind of how I have my stuff organized. I know I have a lot of makeup. I just love makeup and beauty products. And also I like to make my YouTube videos, but I just wanted to show you how I organized it and how I kind of revamped it, got a better desk, show you me getting rid of some old makeup and reorganizing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you hit subscribe down below. If you like beauty videos, check out my page and see all my beauty videos. If you guys have any organization videos you've seen for beauty rooms. Let me know down below. I would love to check them out and kind of get some better ideas. I mean, this was a good start, but I definitely can tweak some things and kind of rearrange some things. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye!